Okay, good evening and welcome to Godwin Tech. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to change number formats in Excel mobile application. When I was a beginner in the use of Excel mobile and even the desktop version, this was one of the challenges I faced. Maybe I type number like 80.60, Excel will remove the 0 and just give me 80.6 and the rest. So let's get it sorted out on how you can change different number formats in Excel. The first thing is to access the Excel app. So I will swipe up. I use the final search to get to Excel. So in the search section, I'll type Excel. Tap on the application for it to open. Alright, these are the workbooks I created in the recent time. So, but I want to explain this using a blank document. Sorry, a blank workbook. Okay. So I will tap on the plus sign at the top right. Select blank workbook. Alright, this is a new workbook altogether, so let me just put maybe some number samples to explain the point. So maybe I have 689 here, 78, 584, then maybe I have a 50.80. You see the number has ended is 50.8, the 0 missing. So maybe I have something like 69.76. Okay, this one may come in. Okay, now 65.90. Okay, you see now Excel automatically removes the 0 at the end of each of these ones with the decimal points. So let's look for how to format it so that 0 will appear. Okay. The next step to take is to tap on the ribbon display option, which is the arrow at the bottom right, the one that points up. So I'll tap on it. Then this shows us some commands we can work with on the home tab. So but our interest is on the formatting of number format. So tap on the number format. Alright, this has shown us some number formats we can choose: general number, currency, accounting, and the rest. Okay. Then we have the first decimal and second decimal, 2 decimal places, likewise this. Okay, now our point is to change this to suit what we want. Okay, so we can go with option now to click on this decimal. It has removed it entirely, so we go back, undo the action, then go back to the number format again, then tap on this one. You can see now the 50.80 has appeared. Likewise, the 65.90 that's changed over to 55.9. So we can still do the same here. Tap on the number format and select this option. You see now the 0 has appeared. Okay, you can still say, okay, let me make it maybe a currency like 67.70. Okay. Then remove this and say, okay, let me convert this to currency. I'll tap on the ribbon display options, scroll down to number format, then select the option of currency or account. You can see the pound symbol is automatically inserted with the 70 because I configured this Excel mobile app to show in UK English. Okay, so that's why. If you are configuring on to show in US English, you can still have this in dollar and not in pounds. So what is more important is that you know how to access the command. Then you can change it to any number format of your choice. I hope this video helps. Please do well to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and leave comments. Stay good.